Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at something that's sure to brighten your day, cute baby products. Whether you're a parent-to-be, a seasoned caregiver, or someone who simply loves adorable things like me, this video is for you. And hey, if you're starting your handmade baby-focused business and need some product ideas, I've got you covered. I've searched high and low to bring you 50 of the sweetest, most practical baby products that are sure to boost your sales. Let's get started. Each of these ideas can be started on a small budget, focusing on creativity and skill rather than expensive equipment or materials. As your business grows, you can reinvest profits to expand your product line and reach. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear from you. See you in the next video.